We're just leaving the mansion. It's really not a very nice day. We just wanted to get some work done and prepare for Thursday. We're supposed to have some good weather and we're gonna really come in and get some stuff done. I just wanted to give a view of the town of Eastport, where this mansion sits. Get the water off the windows so we can see a little bit. The old church. We'll do a drive through the town so you guys can all see how beautiful this town is. I will do another video similar to this when we have some nice weather. The overcast is going to be hard for visual on the ocean views and to really grasp the whole beauty of this historic town. This town is the next Bar Harbor, or Camden. It's really coming together. I'm not gonna try to name the streets. There's just so many. And I'm not very familiar with the names. But we are approaching the town, downtown. You can see the ocean right there. It's pretty choppy out today. Oh, the shops. Tourist season has really ended, but this place was just loaded this summer. I wish you guys could see this better. It's just so rainy out. And this is a nice little restaurant. I've been by a couple times. Sorry guys, I'm trying to pay attention and film and now this is the part you can see from the old house that I was showing you. And we'll go back up and start to come out. I want you guys to see this building. It's very, it's got slate roof, rounded ends. It's really cool. A lot of these buildings are being rescued and restored now. Eastport just had an airport put in, and it's going to be state operated, so it really brought a lot of interest to Eastport. Now we're going back where we just came out. We turned right, and now I'm gonna take you back down the left side. And I'm gonna show you the harbor. You'll see a lot of people out there in the summer fishing for different types of fish, mackerel, striper. I think that season is May. You could see all the old lobster boats and lobstermen down there getting ready to go out, ferries. You can catch a ferry from Lubec, Maine, where I'm from, to Eastport right here. Whale watching tours. There's been a lot of great whites out here if you watch the tracker lately, which is very interesting to me because we didn't ever have that many great whites in Maine. There's all the lobster boats. Personal boats are on this side. Sailboats and a couple smaller, well, there's one small lobster boat down there. There's a bait trawl lift. You can park down here, eat lunch, watch all the boats get loaded up down here. Watch the people usually fish right here off this pier. It's about a 15-foot drop. The tide is high right now. Over the yonder, you can't see right now, but when it's clearer, I'll come down and you can see Lubec from here. Cobscook Bay. It's really, really a beautiful place. James couldn't have got a better location. Those waves probably 2-3 feet high. I've seen in Acadia National Park down towards Winter Harbor 15-20 foot swells, and they were quite amazing. But we have a lot of problems with like little boats like that are docked out on moorings sinking in choppy weather like this. They get filled up with water and then they'll sink. But how could you live in a more beautiful place than Maine? I mean, it's just so beautiful around here. And the weather, well, winter time kind of does stink, but it's still beautiful. Here we go this way. This is back the way we turned, and we're gonna be coming out of town. I'm gonna add the video. This is Washington Street. This is the main street into Eastport. Oh, there's the police station. So this is the main street of Eastport, Washington Street. People are so friendly around here. Just everybody will wave and stop and talk to you and really make you feel comfortable and at home. Doesn't matter who you are. If you need directions, I've never been told I don't know. People just are friendly, and it really makes you feel great. I bought a piece of property down here 2-3 months ago, and I will be building a place next summer, just as a little vacation spot, you know, somewhere for my family to come and enjoy, and me to come and enjoy once in a while. There's no rest in the restoration business. I love the all the flagpoles. We don't have enough of it nowadays. I remember doing the Pledge of Allegiance every day and seeing flags everywhere, and you know, it really lets you know you're in the land of the free, and I like that. We are close to the Canadian border, which would be about 35 minutes away. And up here on this road is the airport. And the only place to get gas in Eastport. Here's a place that's for sale. I did inquire about it just for the property, but it's a little far away than the property that I got down here. So this isn't really the beauty of Eastport, although when you get up here, you cross over a bridge, and that's what I'm waiting to show you guys. This is pretty normal for Maine. I don't want to drag this video out. Or maybe I'll just make another part tomorrow so you guys can get to see everything. I really appreciate everybody watching and liking my videos. We've had some subscribers. I really like that. We appreciate everything you guys do for us. There's the airport right there. Any like, any share, any subscriptions help the channel grow. This is something new to me, and I figured, you know, I see all kinds of things, but not many on Maine. Let's make some videos of Maine, and let's really show its historic beauty. And that's something that I really have wanted to do for a while. I just never did, and James gave me the motivation to do it. He really pushed and said, you know, document this whole thing. And I thought, well, if I'm going to be documenting this, why don't I share it so everybody can enjoy it? People that don't get to travel to Maine for whatever circumstance or anything, you know. I'm one of those people that enjoys a lot of stuff off of YouTube and sightseeing and everything else. This is the bay and the bridge. The tide's not all the way in yet, so it's down a little bit, but this is usually filled right up. This is the cove, like Janney Street is up here, and you can go over this way. And you can actually get to Whiting and Lubec this way in the ocean. Yeah, it's really beautiful when you can actually see all the land past and how far out it is and everything. It's just such a beautiful area. I'm going too fast to really enjoy it because there's a car behind me. But I will post again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.